Okay, so I'm Liette from the Tutoring Center, and in this short video for you Spanish students, I'm going to show you how to conjugate AR verbs in the present tense. So here are a few examples for you. We're going to look at hablar, which means to talk. We're going to look at, cantar, which means to sing, and we're going to also work with tocar, which means to touch, and you can also use it if you're playing an instrument. So the conjugations for the AR verbs are o, as, a, amos, an, and I'm going to explain that farther. So for hablar, you would conjugate it as yo hablo. To say it with you, you would say tú hablas. To say it with él, ella, and usted, you would conjugate it with the a at the end. That would be habla. And to conjugate it with we, we'd use nosotros hablamos. And to say they talk, we would say ellos hablan. And notice with these, I'm removing the AR at the end, and I'm replacing it with the verb endings that go with yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, and ellos. So let's move on to conjugating cantar. So if you're going to say I sing, it would be yo canto. If you said you sing, it would be tú cantas. If you wanted to say he, she, or formal you sing, you would say canta. If you wanted to say we sing, you'd say nosotros cantamos. If you want to conjugate they sing, it would be ellos cantan. Okay. So again, all I'm doing is taking off the AR and using the appropriate ending for yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, and ellos. So I'm going to move on to the last one, which is tocar. So if I wanted to say I touch, I would say yo toco. If I wanted to say you touch, it would be tú tocas. For him, her, and formal you, él, ella, usted, it'd be toca. For we touch, it would be nosotros tocamos. And for they touch, it would be ellos tocan. I hope this video helped you learn how to conjugate AR verbs in the present tense, and there are also the following videos to help you conjugate ER and IR Spanish verbs.